Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to increase your Mshwari loan limits, then this video is for you. So first, let's learn or understand about this Mshwari loan limits. So first, this financial behavior matters, that is actually Mshwari evaluates your financial activity including M-Pesa transactions, savings and loan repayments. Consistent and responsible behavior positively impacts on your loan eligibility. Saving influence. Regularly saving in your Mshwari wallet demonstrates financial discipline. The more you save, the higher your loan limit can grow. Low repayment history. Timely repayment of previous loans boosts your credibility. Mshwari considers this when calculating your limit. M-Pesa uses. Frequent M-Pesa transactions such as sending money, paying bills, and buying airtime signal active engagement. These actions contribute to a favorable loan assessment. Keep your line active. Ensure your M-Pesa line remains active. Inactive lines may impact your eligibility. So you can boost your M-Pesa activity by just regularly depositing to your account emergency funds. Set aside funds for emergency. Mshwari recognizes responsible saving behavior. Saving history. Make a positive saving track record. Enhance your loan eligibility. Interest earnings. Mshwari offers interest on savings. The more you save, the more you earn. Loan savings balance and maintains a balance between loans and savings. It affects your overall financial health. Now let's see how you can unlock higher limits strategies for loan growth. First, save more. Regular savings lead to increase the eligibility. Aim for consistent deposits. Transact frequently. Use M-Pesa actively. Send money, pay bills, and buy an airtime. Time repayment. Timely repayment. The repay loans promptly. It builds trust and improves your limit. Keep your line active. An active M-Pesa line is crucial for eligibility. Financial discipline. Balance loans and saving wisely. Responsible behavior matters. So that's how you can actually increase your loan limit on Mshwari. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.